Hi everyone, I just wanted to welcome you to Health Sciences 3505 Online Principles of Health and Fitness Instruction, where this semester we will be covering all the information you need to know about physical activity recommendations for health, exercise prescription, and how all that is going to work in your professional life after you graduate college. So please take today, look through the syllabus, look through your weekly assignments. We've got a lot of great activities and things going on this semester that will help make for a great semester and a lot of learning. What I want you to know today is that every Monday content will roll out. I will post a new module in your content section. You will also get an update in your news section every single Monday, and it will remind you of everything that you have due coming up that week. So please be sure you're checking in on there on Mondays. I will be popping in throughout the week, each week, with video descriptions of assignments or brief little video tidbits on the lectures, things that you might need to know or be aware of, or that I need to explain a little bit deeper. So you can look for me to be very present throughout the entire course. And please, at any time, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me through my campus email address. Don't go through the e-course email. We don't get as good a communication going through there. So please communicate through regular email with me at memphis.edu. And I will be happy to answer any questions. I'm also happy to set up a one-on-one Zoom with you so we can communicate face-to-face if you need me to do that. And we will do some full class optional Zoom Q&As. So when assignments get closer to the end, when we get closer to our big assignment throughout the semester, I will host several of those to make sure everyone is very clear on what they need to be doing and has every bit of information that they need. So please don't hesitate to reach out. I enjoy getting to know you all. This week you'll start off with your first discussion. So make sure you contribute to that student introduction so we can all get to know each other. I am looking forward to a really great semester with all of you and getting to know you better. Bye.